Hello everyone, friends. Today you're going to learn how replacing just one part in your engine can significantly reduce fuel consumption. Many drivers face this situation. The car suddenly starts eating more fuel. At the same time, the engine seems to run normalna. The car drives fine, there are no errors on the dashboard, but fuel consumption keeps increasing. People start changing spark plugs, cleaning the throttle body, checking the oxygen sensor, replacing the air filter. But sometimes the cause turns out to be much simpler and much cheaper. We're talking about a small but very important component, the engine coolant temperature sensor. This part alone can cause increased fuel consumption, unstable engine operation, and even hard starting. In this video, we'll go through in detail how the engine temperature sensor works, why its failure increases fuel consumption, what signs indicate it's faulty, and why replacing it can sometimes save dozens of liters of fuel. What is the engine temperature sensor? The coolant temperature sensor is an electronic device that measures the engine's temperature and sends this information to the engine control unit, or ECU. In simple terms, it tells the car's computer whether the engine is cold, warmed up, or overheating. Based on this data, the ECU controls fuel delivery, ignition timing, idle speed, cooling fan operation, and the fuel injection system. In other words, this is one of the key sensors that directly affects how your engine runs. Why temperature is so important. Any internal combustion engine operates in different modes. First, cold engine. When the engine is cold, fuel doesn't evaporate well. So the system enriches the mixture, it adds more fuel. This is necessary so that the engine starts easily, it doesn't stall, and it runs smoothly at idle. Second, warmed up engine. When the engine reaches operating temperature, usually around 90 degrees Celsius, everything changes. The ECU starts to reduce fuel supply, make the mixture more efficient, and optimize engine performance. In this mode, the car consumes much less. This is where things get interesting. What happens if the sensor is faulty? If the temperature sensor starts working incorrectly, the ECU receives wrong data. For example, the sensor may show that the engine is still cold when it's actually warm, or a temperature much lower than the real one. In this case, the car's computer thinks, the engine is still cold, it needs more fuel. And it constantly delivers a rich fuel mixture. What does this lead to? The consequences can be serious. Fuel consumption increases sharply. This is the most common issue. Consumption can rise by 1 to 2 liters, sometimes 3 to 4 liters, and in severe cases even more. And the driver often doesn't understand why. Black carbon buildup on spark plugs. Because of the rich mixture, spark plugs quickly get covered with carbon deposits. This leads to misfires, rough engine operation, loss of power, fuel smell from the exhaust. When there's too much fuel, part of it doesn't burn. So you get a strong gasoline smell and smoky exhaust. Poor vehicle performance. Even though more fuel is supplied, power may actually drop. The engine works inefficiently. Catalytic converter damage. If the engine runs rich for too long, unburned fuel enters the catalytic converter. This can cause overheating and even destruction of the catalyst. And that's already an expensive repair. Why the sensor fails? There can be several reasons. Natural wear. Over time, any sensor ages. Its internal thermistor starts giving incorrect readings. Corroded contacts. Sometimes the problem isn't the sensor itself, but its connector. Contacts may oxidize, get dirty, or lose proper conductivity. Wiring damage. The wire going to the sensor may wear out, break internally, or have poor contact. Low quality replacement part. Sometimes a cheap sensor is installed, and it simply doesn't work correctly. Signs of a faulty temperature sensor. Here are the main symptoms. Increased fuel consumption. The most common sign. Hard cold start. If the sensor says the engine is warm, the ECU won't enrich the mixture properly. High idle speed. Idles high because the ECU thinks it's still cold. Unstable engine operation. You may notice fluctuating RPM. Hesitation when accelerating. Jerks while driving. Incorrect temperature readings. Sometimes the temperature gauge behaves strangely. But keep in mind, in many cars, The sensor for the dashboard and the sensor for the ECU are different. How to check the sensor? There are several ways. Using a diagnostic scanner. This is the most accurate method. You can see what temperature the ECU reads and whether it matches reality. For example, cold engine, about 20 degrees Celsius, normal. Warm engine, 85 to 95 degrees Celsius. If it shows 40 to 50 degrees Celsius when the engine is fully warmed up, the sensor is faulty. Using a multimeter, you can measure the sensor's resistance and compare it with the specifications for your car. Real-world testing. If after replacing the sensor, the engine runs smoother, fuel consumption drops, and starting improves, then the sensor was the problem. Why replacing it reduces fuel consumption? Many people are surprised, but replacing this small part can make a huge difference. The reason is simple. When the sensor works correctly, the ECU knows exactly when the engine is cold and when it's warmed up, so it can reduce fuel supply, adjust the optimal mixture, and ensure efficient operation. Real-life cases. Mechanics often see the same story. A car comes in with a complaint. It started using too much fuel. They check spark plugs, fine. Oxygen sensor, working. Fuel pressure, normal. Then they check engine temperature in diagnostics. And they see the engine is warm, but the sensor shows 40 degrees Celsius. After replacing the sensor, fuel consumption drops, and the engine runs smoother. Sometimes the saving reaches 2 to 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Why people ignore this sensor? The problem is that the temperature sensor is small, cheap, and not very noticeable, so it's often ignored. People start replacing spark plugs, oxygen sensor, catalytic converter, fuel pump, even though the real problem may cost just a few dollars. When you should check it, you should definitely check the sensor if it increases. The engine starts poorly. RPM becomes unstable. The car thinks the engine is cold for too long. Or the temperature gauge behaves strangely. Final thoughts. The engine temperature sensor is a small part, but its impact on engine performance is huge. If it fails, your car may consume much more fuel, run unstable, and wear out the catalytic converter faster. Sometimes, a simple and inexpensive replacement can reduce fuel consumption, improve engine performance, and extend the life of important components. That's why, if your fuel consumption increases, you should always check the engine temperature sensor. It might be the real cause. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments, hit the like button.